I'm in the car right now. I'm on my lunch break, and it's almost 3:30. I have like 15 minutes left to eat my salad. I had to pick up food today because I was in a huge rush to get out. I have like not slept really well, and even with the sleep I had last night, it's like I'm not caught up yet on sleep. I know it's a mess. Not having that great of a day, honestly, because it kind of sucks. My favorite person on Truck, like the only friend really that I've made, is being taken off of Truck to do pricing and stuff like forever. So that makes me really sad. And then today I've gone in and I've done like really terrible tasks that I don't want to do. I wish I was taken away from Truck to do pricing. Like, I would much rather do the pricing and signing. I'm sorry that my videos are like extremely boring, but this is what you get when you have like an actual job. Vlogging isn't your job. If vlogging was my job, I'd be able to do interesting things because I'd have the time for it. Plus, it would probably, like, you get things like trips sponsored and stuff like that. You get all this interesting stuff to vlog about, and you don't get that with me. What you get is my life in between work, and sometimes I'm exhausted. Sometimes I don't feel like doing anything interesting. I have the camera in the steering wheel, so that's why. I'm gonna eat really quickly and get back to work, and I'll see you guys after work. I'm home now, and now I need to figure out what to make for dinner. I'm kind of thinking, how do you feel about breakfast for dinner? We're having breakfast. I'll start making that. It'll be a while. It's late now.
Kiki the titty. Whoa!
You are such... The moment I start filming, I swear people probably think you're like the stupidest guy. And they're right. Meow. Meow.
Kiki the titty. Yay.
Oh, such a dick. Oops, that's gonna be way too much hash browns for the two of us. Plus the fruit that I have on the plates and the pancakes I'm about to make and the eggs. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be crazy. Here's Isaac's. Mine almost done. I just have to make my egg. This is my it looks so good face. No! No! Asshole. Dick! Mine is done now, so I'm going to eat it. Penny is so funny when it comes to like a squeaky toy. Oh, and that word. I already told you guys about that, but when there's a squeaky toy and every time I say that word, her head goes crazy. But when there's a...
One of those toys.
One of those toys in a video, she looks around for it like, where is it? Where is it? Just...
Sit, fall, down, look at me. A little bit of stay and a little bit of leave it.
Warden.
Hi.
And come and cold.
Huh?
And come and cold.
Oh.
If you aren't watching Soundly Awake's videos, yeah, he has his... yeah, well...
he's large.
He's big, but you have to consider that there's a lot of massive people on here I don't watch, or like I'll randomly hear about them and they have like 1 million subscribers. I'm like, I've never heard of you! He also has his vlogging channel, Still Soundly Awake, which I personally prefer because I told you guys I like vlogging channels more than... I mean, I really think his other like sketches and stuff are really entertaining, but I do like his vlogs, and he got a dog recently and he moved in with his boyfriend, and it's nice. It's all fun and games to watch.
You've got people caught up on the story now, so that's great. They can go and...
Go watch him. Still Soundly Awake. I don't see anything else happening tonight.
Oh, I do, baby.
So I'm just gonna say goodnight and things. I will see you guys tomorrow.